In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clone a WordPress website to another domain name using Hostinger. This is a valuable skill to have, especially if you're looking to expand your online presence or create a duplicate of your existing site for a new domain. It's a process that might sound a bit complex at first, but with guidance, it becomes quite straightforward. So let's get started. First, you're going to want to go to the Hostinger homepage. You can find that by simply typing the Hostinger URL into your web browser and logging in with your credentials. Once logged in, you'll be greeted by the Hostinger dashboard. This is your central hub, where you can manage all aspects of your web hosting environment. Next, on your Hostinger dashboard, you'll want to navigate to the Websites section. Here, you'll see a list of all the websites you currently have set up. If this is your first time accessing this section, or if you have a lot going on, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. It's quite user-friendly, and everything is nicely organized. Look for the website that you want to clone. This should be the site you intend to duplicate and associate with a new domain name. After locating the website, the next step will be to look for the Connect Domain option. This is crucial for our cloning process, as it sets the stage for associating your clone with the new domain. Clicking on Connect Domain initiates a process where you pair your new domain with the cloned copy of your website. Keep in mind that cloning your website to a new domain doesn't mean deleting the original. You'll create an identical copy that can stand on its own. This way, you preserve the original while creating a new twin elsewhere, perhaps for a new audience or testing purposes. Remember to stay focused as you go through these steps, ensuring each click and selection is made correctly. It's easy to get ahead of yourself, but patience is key to maintaining the integrity of your sites. As you conduct this process, having a backup of your original site is always a smart move. This ensures that you have a way back if anything goes awry. While we're focusing on cloning, creating a backup beforehand provides peace of mind and a layer of security. By following these steps, you'll effectively clone your WordPress website to another domain in Hostinger, opening new possibilities for your web presence and extending your reach in the digital arena. With a bit of practice, you'll find that managing multiple domains can be a seamless part of your web management routine. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope this guide was both helpful and informative. We'll catch you in the next video for more tips and tutorials on making the most out of your web hosting experience.